Greetings, folks! Brace yourselves for a captivating journey into the realm of cutting-edge gadgets. We've handpicked a collection that will amaze you and elevate your daily routines to new heights. Now, let's dive right in and explore. Okay, do you think you need a versatile and efficient translator to overcome the language barrier? The NEWYES Scan Reader Pen 4 is the answer to your essentials. It offers two-way real-time speech translation in 112 languages, text translation for 55 languages, and photo translation capabilities, catering to all your communication needs. Additionally, it comes with built-in Chat GPT for assistance and features a dyslexia reading aid. Compact and lightweight, it serves as a portable companion for travelers and language enthusiasts. The added scanner pen function effortlessly captures and translates text from various surfaces, further enhancing its versatility. Elevate your candle experience with the AROMA candle warmer lamp from Vesta Home. It's the perfect solution for enhancing your ambience. This lamp not only enhances ambiance with a warm glow, but also ensures a longer-lasting fragrance, saving money on candle spending. Control the scent throw with the thermo-regulating design and dimmer switch, as the halogen bulb's gentle heat evenly releases fragrance instantly. Transform your space into a cozy sanctuary and enjoy a restful sleep with this versatile candle warmer lamp that also doubles as a nightlight. Say goodbye to traditional candle burning and embrace the convenience and charm of the AROMA candle warmer lamp. The EISENMAN cordless UVC lamp is a reliable and efficient sanitization solution. This innovative lamp impresses with its mobility and efficacy, powered by a powerful Stanley cold cathode lamp that swiftly eliminates pathogens even in hard-to-reach areas, effortlessly providing chemical-free sanitization. This device offers up to 6 hours of independent operation from its built-in battery. The user-friendly mobile app allows easy control and monitoring, while the patented suction cup enables versatile mounting anywhere. Enjoy peace of mind with the PIR Sensor's automatic safety feature. Level up your sanitization with the EISENMAN cordless UVC lamp. Are you looking for a way to stay active and boost productivity at the office? The DESKBIKE V6 Pro Fitness Office Chair is the perfect solution, enhancing energy and focus throughout the day. This intelligent fitness chair's innovative design enables users to cycle while they work, offering a unique approach to staying active. Its adjustable features ensure personalized comfort, while the silent flywheel maintains a quiet working environment. The chair's LCD display helps track progress, making it easier to achieve fitness goals. Upgrade now and revolutionize your office experience with this comfortable and efficient fitness office chair. Whether you're an avid angler or just love capturing stunning underwater footage, the Chasing F1 Pro Smart Drone is the ultimate fishing companion. Equipped with a 360 degrees HD camera, live streaming, and social media sharing capabilities, it takes fishing to a whole new level. The built-in GPS and automatic cable reel ensure precision and convenience, making fishing effortless and enjoyable. Capture breathtaking underwater moments, mark fishing spots, and share experiences with friends. Embrace the next of fishing with the Chasing F1 Pro and be at the forefront of this revolutionary angling experience. Need something to keep idle hands busy or relieve stress? The MAGNUS Trio Fidget is a highly versatile and engaging fidget toy with over 5,000 different moves to explore. Its dimples and variety of plate options allow for a personalized experience. The hidden magnets ensure a sleek design, and its compact size makes it easy to carry discreetly. Whether for stress relief or entertainment, the MAGNUS Trio Fidget offers a captivating and endless source of fun. Tired of spending hours maintaining your pool? Look no further than the ARIEL Robot Pool Cleaner. Efficiently operating day and night, this cleaner requires easy one-button operation, harnesses solar-powered energy, and features a backup battery, all without cords or hoses. Its intelligent sensors ensure comprehensive coverage, eliminating debris, bugs, and microbes. The embedded mesh filter guarantees crystal clear water, easily removable and emptied with an ergonomic handle. ARIEL simplifies pool maintenance, providing a clean and inviting swimming experience effortlessly. Are you in need of a high-performance EDC knife for outdoor adventures or everyday use? The MANDALA EDC knife is a true masterpiece crafted from premium GR5 titanium and featuring an M390 steel blade with a hardness of 60 HRC, ensuring both durability and lightweight design. Its flipper opening, liner lock, and roller bearing ensure smooth one-handed operation, while the multifaceted surface enhances grip and control. The dagger-like blade shape offers precision and versatility, making it a perfect choice for various tasks. Whether you are facing blackouts or heading for outdoor adventures, the ALLPOWERS S5000 portable home battery is the ultimate power backup. With an impressive 5,000 watt-hours capacity, expandable up to 80 kilowatt-hour, and a fast recharge time of only 1.5 hours, it can power all essential appliances and devices with its 3,600 watt output. Its smart energy management system lowers energy bills and reduces reliance on the grid, making it a greener choice. Portable, durable, and packed with safety features, it is the perfect solution for uninterrupted power. Experience unparalleled convenience with the FURBULOUS litter box, designed to make your life as a cat parent hassle-free and cater to all your convenience needs. This innovative self-pack cat litter box automatically packs, seals, and refills the trash bag, ensuring a clean and odor-free litter bed for your cat. Its smart cleaning system and sensor technology provide a safe environment for your feline friend. The FURBULOUS app allows customization and monitoring of your cat's habits and weight changes. Easy to clean and compatible with all clumping cat litter, this litter box is a game changer for cat owners. Looking for a stylish and durable backpack for urban exploration and outdoor adventures? The Limitless Backpack by Graphene X is the perfect companion. Boasting an avant-garde style and remarkable durability, this versatile bag accommodates large laptops, tripods. The graphene integrated polyester matrix offers weather resistance and 25 liters of generous capacity. The backpack comes with sidekick accessories like ultralight tote bags and the Shirt Master for perfectly folded shirts, making it an all-in-one solution for the dynamic lifestyle. Your search for the ultimate iPad Pro stand that elevates your experience ends here with the INVZI MAGHUB 3 stand. This sleek and versatile stand is more than just a stand. It's an 8-in-1 USB-C docking station that effortlessly connects multiple devices and peripherals. Whether you are drawing or watching, the adjustable viewing angle and free rotating iPad holder ensure maximum comfort. Crafted with high-quality aluminum alloy and leather, it exudes a modern and stylish look. People on the go will appreciate its built-in cable and Apple Pencil compatibility, making it a user-friendly and practical choice. Are you seeking a versatile and efficient charging solution for your USB-C devices? The INTERHOK magnetic charge and data cable simplifies your charging experience with 240-watt power delivery, fast charging, and USB 440 Gbps data transfer capabilities. Its magnetic connection feature ensures effortless charging and protects your USB-C port from dust and wear. The durable design with a mark ensures safety during high-speed charging, and the LED indicator helps monitor the charging status. Compatible with various devices, INTERHOK is the ideal charging cable for your USB-C devices. Whether you're a style-conscious individual or need a functional wallet, the MASVERANO wallet ticks all the boxes. This minimalist wallet accommodates up to 5 banknotes and offers dual card slots for easy organization of up to 8 cards. The optional colorful bands and forged carbon series add personality and elegance. Perfect for daily use and travel, this wallet boasts durability, RFID blocking technology, and a lightweight design. The wallet's versatility allows customizing the storage configuration to fit unique needs, making it a perfect everyday carry companion that elevates your style effortlessly. Before you go, tell us which of these mind-blowing gadgets left you in awe. Share your thoughts in the comments and stay tuned for more tech wonders.